Hey guys, I'm at work, it's Saturday. I'm gonna see how the car is underneath on a lift. So let's check it out. So I fixed the leak that was here. It was just needed a little bit of tightening, so that's good. But overall the car looks magnificent. And of course there's some old rubber like this. But overall it's a 31-year-old car, so it's in mint condition considering. Att lägga klappa. Hey guys, a new day. Yesterday evening I went to another city and picked up a steering wheel for the E30, and so I'm gonna pick out some cleaning stuff for the steering wheel because it's been in a car for a long time, just sitting. So just like some vinyl spray for the center and some leather reconditioner for the ring. Yeah, so let's do that. So here's the steering wheel. So it's an Mtech 1 steering wheel, 385mm, which is gonna be replacing the original 4-spoke. I think the sports steering wheel looks so much better. But let's clean it first. So I just wiped off the steering wheel, and this cloth was clean earlier. So much dirt. Time to recondition the leather. Sprayed a little. Looks like something else, but so now it's time to take the old one out. So first you have to get the emblem out like this, and then we have a 21, I think. Nope, it's bigger, probably a 22. Yes. So now I have to hold the steering wheel and loosen up. Probably have to let go of the camera first. There we go. Now that the bolt is out, you want to make sure that the steering wheel is straight, and you have to switch the car on to unlock the steering lock, and then you can pop it out and put the new one in. So there's like when you take the bolt out, there's like a washer, and I'm gonna use a magnet to take it out. And now I'm gonna pop it off and see if the other one fits, hopefully. Great. Need to take off the emblem of this one as well. There we go. Then put it straight. And it fits. Awesome. So now I put the washer in. And the bolt. This wrench is really bad, so it locks up sometimes. That's why I'm turning it around. And there we go. So now I have two emblems. One of the new steering wheel, which is a little bit scratchy, and the older one looks so much better. So I'm gonna pop it right in because it's the same size. There we go. And now we have a Mtech 1 steering wheel installed. So much better. So the steering wheel is a little bit worn here, but I'll probably take it out in the winter and re-stitch it and make it look better. Either that or I'll buy like a cover and stitch it over. Let's see. But for now, this is really great. It looks so much better.